it's Lily here.
And I'm Grant.
And I'm Callie.
Welcome
back to our channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button. Turn on notifications. Give us a huge thumbs up.
This is what we're making today. It's a candy prop.
For a play we're doing.
In the spring. The supplies you will need are paint, paper plates, scissors, paintbrushes, tape, ribbon, paint, and this thingy.
I can't say it.
Calamari. Cellophane. Let's start painting.
Swirls are made the best if you start in the middle.
All my life, drooling over candy, wonderful, beautiful, blacks and reds. All my life, torturing, demanding, building this army of twizzling kids. Lord Twizzle, that's my name. Lord Twizzle, the licorice king. Lord Twizzle, yes, that's me. Twizzling is my legacy.
Now we're gonna let it dry. And you take the paint side and put it out like this. And then you put it in the middle of the Cellophane. Now we wrap it. You have to put each side like that. Do you help? Yes, I need help. It's not bendable that easily. No, I tape. No, I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna help you. And then put the tapes. You only need 2 pieces. Put it right in the middle.
No.
Yeah.
You put it on the sides.
I'm terrible. Okay, there you go.
We're gonna put it around and wrap it on the side. So let's set this aside. And I'm going to switch this up. Can you guys help me? Just put it against my arm.
Yeah.
Which arm?
It has to be
Just
arm
this arm.
size.
Arm size. And then I'll cut it there. Okay.
Why are you cutting it there? What? Just way up here. No, cut it up here. Higher there. Okay, go.
Okay, we did that. Now we need to do a second one.
Another piece,
one.
we go.
Okay, now do just glue again. We're good.
Ugh.
Fun.
Whoa.
Oh, jeez.
Scooch over. Okay, put your arm out.
Wait,
I'll
do
put
it
it
on the shoulder. This is like a nightmare.
Wait, straighten your arm. Okay, Kelly, you hold that.
Okay, cut about right there. Don't cut your hand off.
I'm not.
Hi.
Now you have to flip it tape side down to your table. And then you have to scrunch up the ends.
Thank you.
Then you put that like that. And then tie it?
Yeah,
tie it. There. Okay. Now do your other side. You've got to put it under.
Tie it.
Then make sure to pull it hard.
Hard.
Not hard enough so you will rip whatever you're using.
Hard.
That's better. And then this is what you should turn out with. Let's flip it over and turn it back.
It's better this way.
There it is, the candy prop. See you next time. Bye.